going to be doing a special video because I will be demonstrating step by step on how to do a corrective hair color going from a bleach, overstressed, damaged hair to a stunning, and when I say stunning, that's going to blow you away, Mojave Soleil Sandy Blonde. So let's dive into it. Now this is the before. We are going to do the reverse low light. And this color corrective, I will be doing two different techniques. One is going to be a low light and another one is going to be a smudge all the way down to the end. And I will be utilizing two different formula to correct this drowsiness from toning down all the yellow and the orange from the color. This would give us a beautiful sunny Mojave Soleil. We're going to be doing a reverse low light to preserve the hair from all this bleaching, so the customer will not have to do any more bleach and it will naturally go back to its natural state. But that is going to take quite a bit of time. You have to do probably 2 or 3, maybe 4 reverse weave, and then you will see the result. Right now we're just doing a reverse weave, and we're doing this reverse weave back to a natural color. Now we don't have the exact color that we need. This is a level 6A, but we have a level 7G, and we're going to do with that to tone it a little bit and to give a little bit more the contrast, and that is going to revive the with this white, this beautiful white in here. That's going to level, this is a level 9 in here, so that's gonna give a little bit more depth and a little bit more luminosity. We'll just have one weave here, one weave here. We're gonna have to put a little bit more weave on the side here, 2 more here and here and here, and that's called a reverse weave. That means that we are taking a darker color, so the client does not want to do bleach anymore, so she eventually going to go back to her natural color, which is a level 6A right here. So we do this very progressively with all combination of clarifying shampoo and sea salt shampoo, all the treatment that I'm going to be recommended to clients. So eventually this is going to be looking much more light, much more healthy than all these different color. But I suggested to do a weave and a reverse weave instead to color back the whole thing together. We're just going to do a weave. We're going to do some weave right here and maybe some weave at the bottom. When she puts her hair up, we can see the weave. So we're going to turn around and show you demo. We're going to do some heavy chunk in here, so when she puts her hair up, it is going to give this nice even tone in here. So we are going to do some, one here and one here, and so to fix this browsiness in here, to make a little bit more very pretty color and contrast in here, we're going to be mixing a Shades EQ08 Cafe au Lait, and we have a little bit of 08 and Mojave Desert. So this is going to really be very, very pretty, and it's going to give you a nice more depth into the hair color. And I show you, of course, the result. So we're going to do another heavy weave right here, and it's very heavy, big chunk. Let's see how we'll do it. Oh, this, and then I have to do it sideways. That's not. The big chunk. And the chunk a little heavy.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I like the bangs to be a little more dramatic.
Yeah.
Because it just.
Now it's gonna be, because we don't have the level 6A, which is a darker ash blonde, not ash brown, but ash blonde. And we have a level 7, so it's much a 7G. But it's going to still do a contrast, and it's going to give a little bit more luminosity to the hair, because what it's going to look like is you just had a highlight, because the bleach right here. We try to stay away from these bleach right there. We're going to do a little one in here. Oops. Light one in here. Just and we want to be, you want to really saturate, very saturate. I mean, you'll put a lots of color on the hair so it grabs it nicely and evenly. And we did use 10 volume peroxide, because remember, you are not going any light, you're going darker. But we are going to do this with going around with that bleach. So the contrast with the bleach, that's what's going to make it very pretty. I'm going to put, so for, oops, sorry, for this time, I'm going to do one more. Here. Make sure you saturate all the way to the end. Now, we're going to do the side in here. Move it. The hair out.
Let me know if you need one. I can hand it to you.
Yeah, let me keep that. Now, whenever the client asks to go back to its natural color, I always say that it is so much healthy and so much better for your hair to just go and do a reverse weave. And you have time not just to adapt it, but also your hair is not going to a drastic stage of going from very light to dark. Because when you have colored your hair, especially bleached your hair for a period of time, your hair has lost a lot of the natural pigmentation. So because of you have lost a lot of natural pigmentation, you have to actually go back and go 2 stages darker than your natural color, because what is going to happen is after you shampoo, your hair will light up. So it will take some time to go back to its natural stage, and then you could just go back and do weave, and what it will look like is it's going to look like you just had a highlight. All you did is low light. And in the meantime, you wanted to utilize good shampoo, such as shampoo that will remove all the buildup. And these shampoo that I have suggested on my previous video were the tea tree shampoo and a clarifying shampoo. Which these shampoo are very, very good shampoo because they detoxify your hair color from all that buildup and all the bleach. So we are going to be doing one in here. We want to leave some light in here. Then make sure you saturate the hair fully. Just a minute. Oh, I'm doing a video. Can this be done? This is the formula, and here we level 808N and level 9N. The rest of the hair EQ to fix this brushiness. It's going to be nice and pretty. So this is how, and you want to make sure when you mix this, if you work with the Redken Shades EQ, you want to make sure it's nice consistency.
Yeah, I really like the way that it's bringing my natural hair color back.
See, it's already grabbing it because we deposit. We didn't left anything. We deposit, and this is the closest one to your natural. So now you can see the color, how pretty it is. See all that all that pretty. This is very pretty. It's not as brassy I used to. And go ahead and turn around. Let's see. And it complemented her eyes so much better. Side that we put the little bit of low light, and then we have the corrective hair color all over.